What if a single weapon could shut down GPS, weather forecasts, and the global internet all without firing a single missile at Earth? Imagine a world where your phone has no signal. Flights are grounded, and online banking simply disappears. This isn't science fiction. This is the new reality we might be facing. Western intelligence agencies are raising alarms. They claim Russia may be developing a space-based weapon, not designed for precision, but for pure chaos. It's a terrifying new type of threat. One that doesn't target a specific enemy, but the entire global infrastructure that orbits our planet. So, how would this weapon actually work? Forget lasers or missiles. The concept is far simpler and far more destructive. The weapon would release a dense cloud of shrapnel into low Earth orbit. Think of it like a shotgun blast in space. But instead of pellets, it's a storm of tiny, high-velocity metal fragments. These fragments would spread out, creating a deadly minefield for anything in their path. Once this debris is released, it's uncontrollable. It can't distinguish between an enemy satellite and a friendly one, a military asset or a civilian one. It hits everything indiscriminately. There's no control, no discrimination, and for the satellites in its way, there's no escape. The result is a cascading failure. A slow-motion catastrophe playing out hundreds of miles above our heads, the biggest immediate concern is Starlink. Elon Musk's massive satellite network isn't just for providing internet to remote areas. It has become a critical backbone for emergency services, humanitarian aid, and even military communications, as we've seen in conflicts like the one in Ukraine. Starlink's constellation consists of thousands of small satellites working together. Disrupting even a fraction of them could have immediate and severe global consequences, cutting off vital communication lines for civilians, aid workers, and soldiers alike. It's a triple threat, hitting civilian, military, and humanitarian efforts all at once. But this threat extends far beyond the battlefield. Modern life runs on satellites. Your daily weather forecast, it comes from a satellite. The GPS that guides your car or your food delivery, satellites, international banking transactions, air traffic control, scientific research missions monitoring climate change, all of it depends on a stable and functioning space infrastructure. It's the point of no return. Here's how it works. One collision creates debris. This triggers a runaway chain reaction, a domino effect of destruction in orbit. Each crash exponentially increases the amount of space junk, eventually rendering entire orbits completely unusable. Not for years, but for decades, or even centuries. We would essentially trap ourselves on Earth, unable to launch new satellites or explore space. There's no cleanup crew for a disaster of this magnitude. Space was once the final frontier, the symbol of human curiosity and exploration. Now, it's in danger of becoming the next great battlefield. The weaponization of space forces us to ask a critical question. Should we allow the conflicts of Earth to poison our future among the stars? The decisions we make today will determine whether space remains a shared resource for all humanity or a scrapyard of our own making. What do you think? Should weapons be banned in space? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more.